2011 NFL score box score. Oh, sorry, this is Shamu. All right, everybody. Like I said, this is 2011 score box card. 7 cards per pack, 11 packs per box. As you can see, it says here 11 rookies per box, and it says look for the autograph from the league's biggest stars and the hottest rookies from the class of 2011. All right, moving on into the box. I can't wait. I'm having a hard time.
Go ahead, hurry up.
Alright, there's still a little 3 in there, but I'm gonna get to that later. Alright, it's the first pack, people. I'm having a hard time opening. It's my first time.
You gotta pinch it. No, you gotta pinch it.
You know what? Alright.
Just tear it off, man.
I don't want to mess up the cards. Alright, first up, Mal Austin. Receiver for the Cowboys.
Oh my God.
Michael Vick, quarterback, Eagles. Patrick Willis, San Francisco 49ers. Cortland Finnegan, cornerback, Titans.
That's the cornerback that fought. Oh. Dexter McCluster.
Jamal Charles.
Oh, Jamal Charles.
In the end zone. I guess so, I don't know.
To insert.
Ahmad Black, rookie, Buccaneers, and Sean Hill, quarterback, Lions. Moving on, second pack out of 11.
Hurry up, man.
Donald Driver, Green Bay Packers. Sean Marino, I guess. I don't know. No Sean Marino.
Hurry up.
Darren Sproles, Chargers. Dwayne Bowe, Kansas City. Davon Best, Dolphins.
Bees.
Whatever. I don't know this guy. He's a rookie. I don't know.
You gotta show the back too, faggot. Go ahead.
Michael Horn, whatever. Running back, Lions, rookie. And I guess that's about it. Moving on.
You got some basketball cards too.
Not important. Football fan, people.
Football is back in action, so you have to get a pack. This was the only thing they got in Patterson.
Alright, Mark Sanchez, Jets.
Gay.
Carson Palmer, Bengals.
Gay.
Michael Griffin, Titans.
Gay.
Kevin Walter, Texans.
Oh, that's hot.
Hot rookie. I'm not gay, people.
Hot. Who is it?
Colin, I don't know. Kaepernick. Yeah, I don't get. You'll get it. Brandon Harris, rookie, cornerback, Texans.
Alright, go ahead.
Sorry for the cover up. Lamar Woodley, Steelers.
I'm back. I got it. Hurry up.
Next deck, moving on.
Michael Vick was the best card you pulled out.
Suck my dick, that's what you can pull out.
There's an autograph in here.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 2. I didn't find it yet. Nick Collins, Packers, safety. Gerard Mayo, linebacker, Patriots. Mike Sim Walker, receiver, Jaguars.
You're the worst receiver ever. He ain't give me nothing on my fantasy draft.
Yeah, I don't really care. Joe Thomas, Browns.
Oh, Ronnie White.
Ronnie White in the zone.
Flip over. That is hot.
Got another rookie here. Now it's Paul. Receiver, Redskins. And we're looking at Rob, I don't know his last name.
Guskowski, whatever.
Yeah, we're close. Tight end, Patriots.
He was the rookie that caught hella interceptions.
Alright. Moving on to the next pack.
Hella touchdowns. Hurry up, hurry up.
Yeah, we littering like crazy.
You picking all that up for the cops come.
I'm running. I'm not a criminal, guys. Heath Miller, tight end, Steelers.
You gotta go through the base fast, man.
Ed Reed, safety. Sorry.
You gotta show the back on the base.
Jake Long. Carnell Cadillac Williams, running back for the Tampa Bay Buccaneers.
Oh, you got
Brian Urlacher.
Millennium, man.
Millennium.
1,184 tackles.
Tyson Smith.
That's the
Rookie.
Number.
Oh, I'm sorry. Linebacker. I don't know. I forgot his name. Sorry.
Spikes.
Tykeal Spikes.
Hurry up.
And moving on to the next deck.
My ass hurt.
Don't say that on the video, dumbass. Well, I thought it was just a video of me.
Hurry up.
Toby Gerhart. I don't know. Gerhart. Running back. The Vikings. Chris Gamble. Cornerback. Panthers. Chad Henning. Quarterback. Dolphins. Tony Gonzalez. Tight end. Falcons. Justin Forsett. I don't know. Seahawks. Running back. Whatever. A rookie. Jeremy Kersley, I guess. Receiver, Jets.
Number.
Another rookie. Ahmad. I don't know. Yeah.
Hakeem Iris.
Yeah, that.
Sound Muslim.
Linebacker. Tight end. I said tight end. Titan, sorry. Moving on to the next deck. All these fucking cards.
I think they ripped you off.
I'm sure they're in the video.
Hurry up.
Oh my gosh, I got Ray Lewis smart on. Fucking bitches. Lance Briggs, linebacker, Bears. Steve Smith, Giants.
Fag.
Nate Birdson, I guess. Receiver, Lions. Michael Crabtree, San Francisco 49ers. Brett Grims, cornerback, Falcons. Got a rookie here. Evan Royster, Redskins running back. I have no clue what this guy name is.
Oh my God.
Yeah, what he said.
Monster.
Moving on to the next deck. Peyton Manning, quarterback, Colts.
They all know that.
LaRon Landry, safety, Redskins.
Deshaun Jackson burnt them.
Braylon Edwards, receiver, Jets.
Hurry up.
Adrian Wilson, safety, Cardinals.
I'm gonna say the position.
In the zone, Adrian Foster, Texans.
Adrian Foster.
Whatever. Sorry. Back.
I'm gonna say the position.
Rookie, Stephon Pay, Bears. Percy Harvin, Vikings. And moving on to the next three. Sorry, didn't get them out the pack.
That's probably the what you call it? The autograph or something. How many autographs?
That's true. I think I didn't find them yet.
I found a millennium there.
Sorry, having a hard time opening
Here,
this
let
one.
me do the rest.
No, Abraham, I got this one.
Taking long as hell. It's like 8 minutes. 9
Antonio
minutes.
Holmes, Jets. London Fletcher, Redskins. Carlos Dansby, Dolphins. TJ Spiller,
Nice.
Bills. Leon Washington, Seahawks. Ricky Stetson, I guess, rookies.
Stanzi.
Kansas City Chiefs.
Number.
Rookies, Steelers, cornerback, Curtis Brown. And moving on to the next day.
Alright, they gotta be in these two.
Matt Forsey, running back.
Forte, dumbass.
Forte, whatever. David Geddes, receiver, Panthers. Louis Murphy, receiver, Raiders. Benny Wells, running back, Cardinals.
Benny Wells.
I said that. Complete player, D'Angelo Williams, core.
Number.
Oh my God. Sorry, people. Corey Luggett. Chargers.
Fuck the Chargers.
He's gonna be a gay bitch. Sorry. That's my team, but you know. Brandon Jacobs, Giants. And that's about it.
I don't think you got any autographs. It's crazy. You better go buy some packs.
It's called a Gypped Off Live.
I told you get number 10, you want number 9.
I didn't see 10. Sorry. Terrell Thomas, cornerback, Giants. Darrell Revis, cornerback, Jets.
Great card.
I have no clue what this guy's name is. But
you don't know who Nagusama is?
Yes, thank you, Abraham. As you can see.
Oh, he got an autograph.
Jamal Charles, running back.
Lucky bitch.
Tawan Jones, rookie, Raiders. Sorry. Mike Poultry, Dolphins.
He was a first rounder.
Chad,
so he gonna be nice.
Cedric Benson, running back, Bengals. Terrell Thomas, cornerback. And that's about it. And if you want to trade, I'm open to any trades. Look me up at Eagles 10. And have a nice day.